That fried egg was selling for $2,000. A girl picked up a spoon and took a small bite. Right away, she realized this wasn't a real egg. When Jack tasted it, he figured out the truth. The yolk was made of mango juice, and the white part was coconut milk. The next dish was even stranger. It looked like a plant. Just then, the restaurant manager walked in. With a proud smile, she said, "This is our cross-vegetable salad. Every part of it is edible." Jack didn't like her arrogant attitude. He grabbed the salad and walked straight to the kitchen. "I didn't come here to watch magic," he said. "I came here to eat real food." The head chef wasn't angry. In fact, he smiled. He pulled out a piece of Kobe beef from his collection and challenged Jack. "If you think you're so good, cook this." Jack accepted no fancy tricks, just simple ingredients. He grabbed a knife and finally chopped some green onions. He tossed them into hot oil, then sliced the beef into thin strips. He grilled it, mixed it with the onions, and fried everything on high heat. Finally, he added sesame oil, cumin, and a few other spices. Within minutes, a hot, smoky, and delicious dish was ready. Jack's cooking had real skill, but the boss wasn't easy to impress. He picked up a blowtorch and gently seared the Kobe beef, just enough to keep it rare. Then he plated it beautifully over green leaves, paying attention to every small detail. He lit a special wooden stick to create smoke and slow smoke the beef for 30 minutes at low temperature. The result? Super soft, flavorful Kobe beef, made using ancient Chinese cooking techniques. The chef was sure that when he entered the national gastronomy competition, he would win the top prize. But Jack simply smelled the steak, put it down, and quietly walked away. Curious, the chef took a bite of Jack's dish. The moment the food touched his tongue, he froze. The meat was so tender, so fresh, and had such a unique flavor that the chef was completely stunned.